I'm so excited to continue our 6 Stunning Embroidery Flowers series. We've already stitched the gorgeous chrysanthemum, poppy and peony. We're moving on to our 5th flower, the dimensional and vibrant dahlia. The secret to a realistic looking dahlia lies in the shading. I'm using 2 shades of yellow floss here, a lighter one and a slightly darker one. I'm separating 2 strands from each color and mixing them together. This gives us a total of 4 strands on our needle. Mixing 2 shades like this is a fantastic technique for achieving an instant shading effect. I've threaded my long needle. A long needle is always helpful when working with bullion knots, and we are ready to start stitching our petals. Bring your needle up, then take a stitch forward but don't pull through. We'll start with the largest outer petals. For these we're using the long-tailed bullion knot. This stitch is key to giving our dahlia that beautiful layered 3-dimensional effect. Wrap your thread around the needle. Because we need various sizes to fill the petals, you'll need to wrap different amounts of thread for each knot. Stitch the longer knots first. The technique for the tail is simply taking a second straight stitch just past where the knot ends. This little tail helps anchor the long knot and control its shape, making the petal look more pointed and dynamic. As always, hand stitching is a wonderful mind-relaxing craft. It helps you focus and slow down from your busy day. Dahlias are known for their incredible layering and rich colors. It adds depth and dimension to your stitching without the extra work of blending colors. Always choose a needle that is thin enough to pull easily through all your wraps. Once the larger petals are done, we move inward to the smaller ones. For these, we'll use the regular bullion knot. No need for the tail this time. Just wrap the thread and secure the knot. Keep these smaller knots tighter and shorter to create that natural, layered petal effect that dahlias are known for. Now for the center, I switched to my brown floss. We'll stitch a cluster of regular bullion knots around the mid-circle to give our flower a realistic dimensional center. Look at that! The completed dahlia has a stunning, clean and layered effect, with beautiful shading thanks to our mixed thread. It's a truly stunning flower design that you can apply to any clothing or home decor project. We have now completed our 5th flower in this exciting series. I hope you feel inspired to try this dimensional technique. Keep practicing these dimensional stitches. The small investment of time in hand stitching adds such unique handcrafted value to your garments. Join me for the next lesson as we stitch our 5th flower. Happy stitching!